If you're still running a dash cam without GPS and you're walking into a claim with half the story, a dash cam with GPS stamp speed, location, and time right on the footage, so a brake check, hit and run, or red light dispute turns into a clean timeline instead of an argument. So in this video, we'll go through the 10 best dash cams with GPS, from budget-friendly picks to high-end models, so you can find the right fit for your car and your needs. We'll put the updated price and purchase links down in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. First up, we've got the Torvo TD3. This little dash cam is pretty impressive for the price, giving you crisp 4K video for the front and full HD for the rear. Basically, it makes it super hard for anyone to argue about what actually happened on the road. One thing that really sets it apart is the built-in GPS. Most of the dash cams in this price range usually come with GPS in the mount, but interestingly, this dash cam comes with built-in GPS. The GPS seem to be quite accurate and almost as similar as you'd find in mid to higher-end models. So, every video automatically shows your exact speed, location, and timestamp. Perfect if you ever need solid proof for insurance or just want peace of mind. People also love its parking mode, which kicks in automatically if it senses motion. And thanks to the supercapacitor design, it handles heat really well, so you don't have to worry about it overheating during those blazing summer drives. Plus, it comes with a 64 gigabytes of memory card and 5 gigabytes of Wi-Fi, so you can grab your footage instantly on your phone using the Torvo app. No fiddling with SD cards. Sure, the rear camera doesn't match the 4K front, but honestly, for the price, it's still a solid setup. Now, some of the other dash cams on our list have a ton of extra features, but they usually come with a pretty premium price tag. Of course, you can go for those if you want, but the Torvo TD3 basically gives you those high-end features, like 4K front recording, parking mode, and built-in GPS, without breaking the bank. It's a great choice if you want professional-level protection on a budget. Now, for drivers who need coverage in every direction, like rideshare drivers or parents keeping an eye on the road, then have a look at the Vantrue N4 Pro. It has 3 cameras running at the same time: front, rear, and inside the cabin. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear and cabin cameras capture in 1080p, making sure nothing is missed, whether it's on the road or inside the car. Now, the built-in GPS tracks and stamps your route, speed, and location onto every file, giving you the kind of evidence that holds up well in disputes. A handy detail is the voice control system, so you can manage recordings while staying focused on driving. Its Sony Starvis sensors are especially strong at night, picking up license plates even in low light. Mounting is simple thanks to its magnetic setup, and the wide-angle lenses cut down on blind spots that could leave you unprotected. At around $380, it is on the pricier side, and some users note the rear camera has trouble with distant plates at night. Still, with 3-angle coverage, reliable GPS tracking, and easy operation, it's a solid choice for anyone who wants full protection and is willing to invest a bit more for peace of mind. If you manage a fleet or just want a serious dash cam setup, the BlackVue DR750X might be what you need. It's a 3-channel dash cam that records full HD video from front, rear, and interior cameras, so nothing goes unseen. The built-in GPS logs your route, speed, and location, giving you a detailed trail of evidence in case anything happens. What really sets this one apart is its cloud feature. Footage can automatically upload to secure servers, so even if someone tampers with the camera, your evidence is safe. The Sony Starvis sensors give sharp images in all lighting, and infrared LEDs make the interior camera clear, even in total darkness. It also has parking mode with voltage monitoring, so your vehicle stays protected without draining the battery. And there's an optional tamper-proof case for extra security. Some users mention the footage can look a bit dark compared to newer 4K cameras, and the max resolution is 1080p, but for professional drivers or anyone who wants always accessible evidence, the DR750X is reliable, secure, and built to last. Next up, we've got the Nextbase 622GW, and it feels more like a safety tool than just a dash cam. It records in sharp 4K, but more importantly, It adds image stabilization so bumpy roads don't ruin your footage. If you need evidence after an accident, you get clean, steady video you can actually use. The big deal here is its emergency SOS system. If you're in a serious crash and don't respond, it automatically sends your GPS coordinates and even your medical details to emergency services. That's not just handy. It can literally save your life. The GPS works with what 3 words? Narrowing your location to within 3 meters. That's the kind of accuracy insurance companies trust without hesitation. On the practical side, it also has Alexa built in. That means you can check the weather, control music, or even ask for directions without touching your phone. The wide 140-degree view covers plenty of the road, and the enhanced night vision keeps license plates clear even against glaring headlights. Yes, the price is higher at around $399, and after the first year, you'll need a subscription to keep SOS active. But when you think about its features and trusted GPS logging, the 622GW proves its worth at the moment. Well, now have a look at the Thinkware ARC front and rear. It balances cost with features that actually matter, like 2K QHD, recording for sharp, reliable footage that stands up in insurance disputes. What makes it useful is the extra safety layer it provides on the road. You get alerts for traffic signals, lane departures, and even when the car ahead starts moving. It's like a built-in reminder system that helps you stay aware. The GPS support keeps your location and speed logged with precision, so you always have the proof you need if something happens. The 2.7-inch touchscreen is another practical touch. Footage also stays distortion-free thanks to de-warping tech, so you don't deal with those stretched edges. At night, its Super Night Vision 2 steps up, capturing details in low light that you'd otherwise miss. Plus, the parking mode adds more value, recording motion or impacts while you're away. But the rear camera isn't the strongest in very dark conditions, and managing the extra GPS cable can feel a little messy. However, for the price, it's a smart pick, giving you reliable protection and easy controls. Sometimes regular footage isn't enough. That's where the VIOFO A229 Pro stands apart. It's the first dashcam to use dual Sony Starvis sensors, recording in 4K up front and 2K at the rear. The clarity is so sharp it can capture license plates, signs, and even faces, details that can make or break an insurance claim. The GPS here is another step above. Instead of relying on one network, it taps into 4 at once: GPS, Galileo, Beidou, and GLONASS. That means faster locks and pinpoint accuracy wherever you drive. Add to that its 5 GHz Wi-Fi and clips download in seconds instead of minutes. The polarizing lens removes windshield glare, and voice control lets you lock important clips. Plus, parking mode offers multiple levels of protection, whether you want time-lapse or motion-triggered recording. Of course, premium parts mean a premium price. Installation also takes more patience with its multiple cables. But for drivers who want professional-grade recording, the A229 Pro is reliable, packed with real-world features, and captures footage that's crystal clear no matter the conditions. For drivers who want more than just video recording, the Cobra SC 400D delivers. It captures sharp 4K footage from the front and adds a clear rear view, but the real strength is its connected features. This dash cam links into the Drive Smarter community, giving you real-time alerts for red light cameras, speed traps, and even police locations. That keeps you more aware of your surroundings while also helping avoid unwanted tickets. GPS data is baked into every clip, so speed and location are always logged. Hands-free use is simple too. With Alexa built in, you can control functions or get updates without looking away from the road. The magnetic mount makes it quick to set up or move between cars, which is a nice touch for busy drivers. Another highlight is the emergency contact system. If you're in a crash, it can automatically notify someone you trust. Peace of mind, especially for families with new drivers. Though the app can be a little unreliable and the camera itself is a bit larger than some competitors. Still, the SC400D offers more than just evidence recording. With smart alerts, voice control, and emergency protection, it covers safety and connectivity in one solid package. Some dash cams try to pack in everything, but not everyone wants that. The Nextbase 522GW keeps things simple while still giving you important features. It records in sharp 1440p or 2K QHD, clear enough to read license plates and signs, and uses a polarizing filter to cut glare from your windshield. Yeah, it also comes with GPS built in, logging speed and location data that insurance companies trust. For emergencies, it includes the same SOS function found in Nextbase's higher-end models. If you're unresponsive after a crash, help can be sent directly to your location. The 3-inch touchscreen makes navigating menus straightforward, and the click-and-go magnetic mount makes setup easy. Plus, with Alexa integration, you can ask for traffic updates, control smart devices, or play music without taking your hands off the wheel. Well, 1440p isn't quite the same level as 4K, but you can store more footage because of the lowered resolution. And for drivers who want a dash cam that's easy to use and loaded with essential safety tools, the 522GW is a smart balance of that. For full coverage inside and out, you can check out the VIOFO A229 a 3-channel dash cam that records in 4K at 60 frames per second in the front, with dual 2K cameras covering the rear and interior. Each camera uses Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, so low-light performance is excellent across the board. The interior camera deserves special mention. With a wide 210-degree fisheye lens and infrared lighting, it captures every angle of the cabin, even the side windows. That makes it especially useful for rideshare drivers who need both road and passenger coverage. The GPS system pulls from 4 satellite networks for fast, reliable tracking, while voice control lets you save clips in multiple languages without touching the dash. Installation is made cleaner with slim coaxial cables, and there's even an optional Bluetooth remote for quick clip protection at the press of a button. Though the 3-camera setup takes time to install, and the premium price reflects its advanced features. Still, if you need complete coverage and future-ready 4K recording, the A329 delivers. Now, for drivers who need constant oversight, the Thinkware U1000 Plus might be what they prefer. It records in crisp 4K with Sony's Starvis sensor, and an optional rear camera adds full HD coverage. At night, its Super Night Vision 3 captures details the eye can't see, and that keeps the footage sharp no matter the conditions. The standout is Thinkware Connected. It sends real-time impact alerts to your phone and lets you check live footage remotely, turning the dash cam into a round-the-clock security system. For fleet operators or anyone with high-value vehicles, that's a huge advantage. Driver assistance features add even more protection. Lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts act like an extra safety net, while GPS with a built-in camera database helps you avoid speed and red light fines. You can even connect a multiplexer box to record up to 5 channels, making it ideal for commercial use. Of course, it's a dealer-exclusive model, so availability can be limited, and it carries a high price tag. But for professionals who can't compromise on security, connectivity, or evidence, the U1000 Plus delivers top-tier reliability. So that wraps up our video on the 10 best dash cams with GPS. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.